Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. We are the generative AI company. We build generative AI solution. So today we discuss about Wan 2.1, which is the recently launched video generation model, which is completely open source. So there are some features written by here, the performance and the support consumer GPUs. If there is a 5-second video in 4080 pixels, so RTX 4090 takes about 4 minutes to generate the video. Okay. This is for the text to video 1.3 billion parameter model. So they are releasing 4 models. So let me tell you. Yeah. One is text to video, which is 14 billion parameters. Hugging Face and Hugging Face links are given here only. I will provide this GitHub repo link in the description. So it will support 480p and 720p. Image to video model 14 billion parameters, 720 pixel, and there is a image to video 14 billion, 480 pixels. And one is a smaller model which is text to video 1.3 billion, which supports 480p. All the links are here. Now, if we see on the Hugging Face, so these are the links. You can download the model directly from here. But we are using in the ComfyUI. So let me search for the ComfyUI Wan 2.1. So you get all the text encoders and VAE here only. Just click on that and download the mod. And here you get the text to video workflow also. If you download this one, workflow in JSON format, and image to video workflows also. Once you load that thing into ComfyUI, so this is that image to video model, image to video workflow. So first you need to load the model. So we are using GGF models, which you get from here. I will provide the link. So you can download the model according to your VRAM. So we are using 7 GB model here. Okay. So GGF, you need to first load a UNet loader for GGF model. Then we are using Tcache for increase the speed of generating the video. Okay. And we are using normal key sampler here. And this is Wan image to video. Here is the clips, and which is connected to clip encoders, which is going into Wan image to video. Here is we are giving VAE also. There is load clip for image, and we are load the image from here. This workflow I will give you in the description. You got from the Patreon. And this is the image resize we are doing. Then we connect it to K sampler, and VAE decode tiled we are using. So this is the finally we get the video out of it. So let me play the video. So this is the image, and these are the prompts for image to video. It will support the negative prompts also. Some of the video generated don't support negative prompt, but it supports. So once you generate the video, we are using this node for frame interpolation. So what that means, for example, you are generating a video of 16 FPS. Okay. If you are using this node, it will increase the frames per second. Now it will be 32 FPS or 24 FPS according to what you wrote in that. So this will increase the frames, and this will make the video more smooth. So once it is done, your video is generated. So try this one for image to video or text to video. This is the amazing model I tried out, and which is completely open source. You don't need to pay something. So you can use it in ComfyUI. or there is one website also you can directly use from there. So let me show you that also. Wan 2.1. Yeah, from here you can use this one. So these are some examples generated using Wan 2.1. Text to image, image to image, and all. And these are all the Kadai also released ComfyUI Wan video wrapper. You can if you want to use, you can use that one also. These are the GGF models. These are City 96. Is also created GGF model. And I will provide all the links into the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask it in the comments. Hope you like the video. Thank you everyone.